Good morning. We'll see the fourth sum of exercise 5.3. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So here what is given? From this AP, A is equal to 9, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 25 minus 17 is equal to 8, and sum is given, that is SN 636, right? A is given 9, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 25 minus 17 is equal to 8, and SN is equal to 636. We'll use the formula for SN. SN is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? SN is how much? 636. 636 is equal to n by 2. N will remain as it is because we have to find terms. Terms means n. 2a, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Do cross multiplication. 636 into 2. Let's see what is 636 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6, 7. 2 6 are 12. 1 2 7 2 is equal to n into 18. 9 2 is 18. Then multiply this 8 with the bracket. 8 into n, 8n. 8 into minus 1, minus 8. 1 2 7 2 is equal to n into, this is 8n. And 18 minus 8 is plus 10. So 1 2 7 2 is equal to 8n square plus 10n, because n into 8n is 8n square and n into 10 is 8n. It becomes 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. Because this 1272 from the left hand side, it comes on the right hand side, okay, and it becomes negative. Now I'll divide the whole equation by 2. It becomes 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0, right? Here even we can use, okay, splitting the middle term, or else we can use one more formula, that is quadratic formula. From the equation, okay, first I will write the values of A, B and C. Value of A is here 4, value of B is 5, value of C is minus 636. What is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called as quadratic formula, because when equations are very big, instead of going, okay, for splitting the middle term, if you go by as quadratic formula, you will find it very easy. But still, okay, it is up to you. If you want to go by splitting the middle term, even you can, okay, solve. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus b square means 5 square minus 4ac means 4 into a is 4 into c is minus 636 upon 2a means 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Now I will rub this, okay, and then I will continue here. Okay, x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 square is 25, minus into minus is plus, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 636. Let's see what is 16, 636 into 16. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 6 6 are 36. 38. Then 1 6 are 6. 1 3 are 3. 1 6 are 6. 6 7. 8 plus 3, 11. 6 7 8 9 10. That is 10176. Okay, is the multiplication of minus 4 into 4 into minus 636 upon 2a. 2a means 2 into 4 is 8, right? X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, it is 1 0 2 0 1 upon 8. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 1 0 2 0 1 is 101 upon 8. X is equal to minus 5. This is plus minus, means once you have to take plus, the other time you have to take minus. You will get two values of x. X means here n, and we will take the positive number. That will be plus 101 upon 8. Right? Let's see what is the answer. Which value is positive and which is negative. X is equal to minus 5 plus 101 is 96 upon 8 is equal to 12. And again I will take x is equal to minus 5 because it is plus minus. So I have taken first plus, right? Now I will take minus 101 upon 8. Minus 5 minus 101 minus 106 upon 8. But this is negative and we know number of terms are never negative. So I will write here, okay, this is rejected. Why rejected? Number of terms cannot be negative. You have to write the reason. I am not writing here, okay, but you have to keep in mind n is equal to value is negative. You have to write rejected. Reason is since number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. Here x means n. So here how many terms are there? 12 terms. Fifth sum. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. DIFFERENCE. Common difference. Let's see, okay. Keep in mind whenever we write the solution, before that you write all the details and then you write the formula. It is given first term. First term means A is 5. Last term means AN. Last term means AN. It is also called as L. Which is equal to 45. And SN is given how much? 400. There is one more formula, to find number of terms when A is given, last term is given and SN is known to us. Then only we can use that formula. Otherwise, we use AN formula, then we find N and then we proceed further. But here, we can find, number of terms using the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. This is one more formula for sum of n terms. That is n by 2 into A plus L. What is sum? Sum is given 400 is equal to n by 2 into A is how much? 5 plus L is 45. Do the cross multiplication. 800 is equal to n into, what is the addition of the bracket? 50. So n is equal to 800 upon 50. N is equal to, this 0 gets cancelled. 80 upon 5 is 16. Right? N is equal to 16. Now we got n. We have to find common difference, right? We have to find common difference. For that I will use the formula for AN. AN is given to us. AN means last term. AN is how much? 45. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 45. Right? AN, last term means AN. AN is given 45. Formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. A is how much? 5. Plus we got n, 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 45. 5 plus, what is 16 minus 1? 15d is equal to 45. 15d is equal to 45. This 5 which is on the left hand side will go on the right hand side, will become minus. 15d is equal to 40. d is equal to 40 upon 15. D is equal to 40 upon 15. Reduce to its lowest term. 40 and 15, both the number comes in the table of 5. So it becomes 5 8s are 40 and 5 3s are 50. So value of D is equal to 8 by 3. Value of D is equal to 8 by 3. So as per the sum, we have found the number of terms. Number of terms are 16 and common difference is 8 upon 3. Sixth sum. The first and last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. This is respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there in the AP and what is their sum? First term is given, First term is given as 17. Last term is 350. AN is 350. Common difference is given. D is 9. You have to find N and you have to find Sn. Because the question says that how many terms are there in the AP? Terms means N. And we have to find. And what is their sum? Sum means Sn. First I will find N using the formula for An. An is given as 350. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 350. Right? That is the formula. What is the value of A? 17 plus D is given N minus 1 into what is the value of D? 9 is equal to 350. 17 plus, open the bracket, 9 into N, 9N minus 9 ones are 9 is equal to 350. 9N plus 17 minus 9 is 8 is equal to 350. 9N is equal to 350 minus 8. 350 minus 8. 9N is equal to 342. N is equal to 342 upon 9. N is equal to, the number less than 34 in the table of 9 is 27. 9 3s are 27. And 34 minus 27 is 7. 7 and 2, 72. 9. I'll divide here, 9 3s are 27. 14 minus 7, 9 8s are 72. Number of terms, N is equal to 38, right? Now I have got the value of N. I have to find Sn. I will write the formula for Sn. Sn, what is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. It's equal to means is equal to. N is 38 upon 2 into 2A means 2 into 17 plus N minus 1 means 38 minus 1 into D is 9 is equal to 38 by 2 is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 38 by 2 is 19 into 2 17s are 34 plus 38 minus 1 is 37 into 9. Is equal to 19 into 34 plus, let's see what is 37 nines are. 37 nines are, 9 sevens are 63, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 6 33, right? 9 sevens are 63, carry 6, 9 threes are 27 plus 6 33. So it becomes, right, 333 is equal to 19 into the addition of 333 and 34, 7 6, that is 3 6 7. Now we multiply 367 into 19. If you multiply these two numbers, we get 6937. 6937 is the answer. Seventh sum. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Solution. First 22 terms, right? So it is given sum of first 22 terms, means we have to find S22. We have to find S22 in which n is equal to 22 because we write Sn. So here n is 22. N is 22. What else is given? D is given as 7 and 22nd term is 149. 22nd term is what? A22 is given as 149, right? 22nd term means A22 is given as 149. Using A22 is equal to 149, okay? I will find one value and then I will find S22. So I will first use A22 is equal to 149. How you write A22? A plus 21D is equal to 149. A plus 21 into, what is the value of D? 7 is equal to 149. A plus 21 sevens is 147. 147 is equal to 149. A is equal to 149 minus 147. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now I will find S22. For S22 I need the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is given, right? In Sn, n is given as 22. So it is 22 upon 2. 2a means 2 into, what is the value of a? 2. Plus n is 22 minus 1 into d is 7. Sn is equal to, what is 22 upon 2? 11 into 4 plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into 7. Sn is equal to 11 into 4 plus 21 sevens are 21 sevens, 7 on the 7, 7 to the 147. Sn is equal to 11 into, the addition of bracket is 151 and 151 into 11 is 1661. 11 into 151 is 1661. So Sn is equal to 1661. Eighth sum. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Means second term is given as 14, third term is given as 18. We have to find the sum of first 51 terms. Means n is also given as 51. Solution. N is equal to 51, right? Second term is given. Second term is how much? 14. Third term is given, that is A3 is equal to 18. Right? Now using A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18, I will get the values of A and D. A2 is equal to 14 means A plus D is equal to 14. Equation number 1. A2 is equal to 14. A2 means A plus D is equal to 14. How you write A3? A plus 2D is equal to 18. Equation number 2. Right? Change the signs. Right? This gets cancelled. It means subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. Then you place equation number 1 above and equation number 2 below. Change the signs. A and minus A gets cancelled. D means what? 1D. 1D minus 2D is minus D. And minus 18 plus 14 is minus 4. So D is equal to 4. Right? Now put this value of D is equal to 4 in any equation, either 1 or 2, to get the value of A. Substitute D is equal to 4 in equation 1. If you want to submit, if you want to put this in equation number 2, you can substitute in equation number 2 also. Equation number 1 is A plus D is equal to 14. A plus D is how much? 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 this 4 comes on the right hand side. Therefore, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Now we have got the value of D. We have got the value of A. We have the value of N also. We will find Sn. We will find Sn. Right? I will write here, okay. A is equal to 10. D is equal to 4. And then I will write the formula now. For Sn. Right, sum of 51 terms means you have to find S51. Write the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to, what is n? N is given 51. 51 upon 2 into 2a means 2 into value of A is D plus 51 minus 1 into value of D is how much? 4. Sn is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 tens is 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Sn is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. Sn is equal to 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220. Sn is equal to 51 into, if you divide 220 by 2 we get 110. Sn is equal to, I will multiply, okay, 51 into 11 and then I will add 0 to the right. I will not take 110, I am taking only 11. 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. This is 1, 6, 5 and this 0 will come here. So Sn is equal to 5610. Sn is equal to 5610. This is, okay, the final answer of this sum. Ninth sum. If the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17th terms is 289, find the sum of n terms. So what is given here? Let's see. Sum of 7 terms means S7 is given. How much? 49. And sum of 17th term means S17 is given as 289. We have to find the sum of n terms means Sn we have to find. We'll use, okay, S7 is equal to 49 and S7 is equal to 289 to get the values of A and D. To get the values of A and D. S7, okay, for that, okay, you have to write case 1 and this will become case 2. Sn, we have to write the formula for Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is how much in the first case? 49 is equal to n. N is how much? 7 because it is S7. S7 is Sn. So n is equal to 7 upon 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Right? N is 7. Do cross multiplication. 49 2s are 98 is equal to 7 into 2a plus, what is 7 minus 1? 6. 6d. 98 upon 7 is equal to 2a plus 6d. 98 upon 7 is equal to 2a plus 6d. Divide 98 by 7. It is 14. Right? 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. If we can reduce the equation, we should reduce it. Yes, this can be reduced by dividing the whole equation by 2. It becomes, right? If you divide the whole equation by 2, it becomes a plus 3d is equal to 7. Because 2 by 2 is 1, right? 6 by 2 is 3. 14 by 2 is 7. Equation number 1. Now I use S17. Again I write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of Sn here? 289. 289 is equal to n by 2 into 2a. But n is given. N is how much? 17. 2a, right? Plus 17 minus 1 into d. Now I'll grab this part, okay, of the left hand side. Okay. So do the cross multiplication, it becomes 289 into 2. 289 into 2 is equal to 17. And in the bracket it is 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16. That is 16d. Then this 17, okay, goes in the denominator because it is multiplication. 17 into bracket. 289 into 2 upon 17 is equal to 2a plus 16d. Divide 289, 17 1 the 17, 17 is 289. So what is left in the numerator? 17 2 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d. Again this equation can be reduced by dividing the whole equation by 2. It becomes a plus 8d is equal to 34 by 2 is 17. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I will write here. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. And then what will happen? I place equation 1 and 2, one below the other. Equation 1 is this. It is written subtract equation 2 from equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 3d is equal to 7. What is equation number 2? A plus 8d is equal to 17. Right? Change the signs. Cut. Then minus 8d plus 3d minus 5d. Minus 17 plus 7 is minus 10. d is equal to minus 10 upon minus 5. Therefore, d is equal to 2. d is equal to 2. Now place this value of d is equal to 2 in any equation to get the value of a. To get the value of a. Okay. I will write here. Substitute d is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 3d is equal to 7. A we have to find. A plus 3 into d is what? 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. Now we have got the value of d. We have got the value of a. We have to find the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. I will use the formula for Sn, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n we don't have, so we have to keep n as it is, right? 2a means 2 into value of a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d. N is how much? N only. Minus 1 into d is 2. d is 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus open the bracket 2 into n 2n 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into this 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. What is left here? 2n. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Sn is equal to n into n. Therefore, Sn is equal to n square. Sn is equal to n square. So here, as per the question, the sum of n terms is n square. This is very important example.